pleasure to be here. Well, Chris has explained everything about my background. I would like first to introduce again myself. I'm Mayor Madel Alfelor, and this is my second term as a local chief executive of Iriga City. And Iriga City is in the southern Luzon of the Philippines. That's in Camarines Sur. We conceptualize again with a 2-hour computer literacy program for all the employees. So imagine the transition period. It's really quite difficult. And then we have no choice but really to transform because there's really a big demand coming from the national government that we have to advocate one-stop shop, which is the processing of permits for 15 minutes, and then the synchronization and computerization of accounting, the budget, and treasury. So these are all the challenges. Then ARTA. Then these are all the challenges that we really have to face. So, but we realize that any business not undergoing a digital transformation risks commercial obscurity as it gets left behind while its competitors evolve to meet the new reality. And the new paradigm shift, the paradigm is that digital is no longer optional. It's a must already. So embracing digital opportunities also allow us to adopt a new nimble, which is thinking mindset. We have to think small right now because the pandemic has slowed down everything and we have no choice but to go back to basic and we have to think small. However, we have to be advanced in a way that we have to transform into digital. Since 2007, it was my dream to create our own ID system, but we really don't know how to do it. But to make it easier, for us to track down all the constituents and keep the records. And then I never expected that data and analytics will reign supremacy over everything. Those vital digital interactions with people generate and rely on an increasing volume of all important data. So in turn, data feeds the analytic functions that give digital transformation and all our services the insights we need to fuel the perpetual cycle of fulfilling customers' needs and expectations. And in fact, during the pandemic, it's really quite difficult how to come up with a good scheme of contact tracing. So we used a QR code and then we distribute it to all households and then for contact tracing purposes.